scalar triple product, or which is also referred as box product. If now here, as the word is involved, the word triple is involved, I should consider minimum 3 vectors, right? So if a bar, b bar and c bar are 3 vectors, then a dot product of a bar with b bar cross c bar. Now why it is to be taken? मुझे बताइए, स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट, scalar product or simply dot product, it is taken between the two vectors, but nature of product is in the dot form, so that the answer expected is a constant quantity, which usually we call it as a scalar. ये बात समझ में आई? तो whenever you are taking scalar product, there should be product of two vectors. Now while taking the dot product of any two vectors, my quantities are scalar, right? So I consider one of the vector as a bar, and to take the product with the other vector quantity, I club b bar and c bar, and the product taken between them will be vector vector product or the cross product, so that it remains intact with the vector quantity. So b bar cross c bar is a vector product or the cross product, which is giving you the vector quantity as the answer. A bar itself is a vector. Now we will be taking down dot product of between these two, that is dot product of a bar along with b bar cross c bar, and that resultant will be called as scalar triple product or the box product, right? So therefore, if a bar, b bar and c bar are 3 vectors, then dot product of a bar with b bar cross c bar, that is b bar cross c bar mathematically or symbolically written, is called the scalar triple product of a bar, b bar and c bar, in that order, and it is denoted by a bar dot b bar cross c bar. A bar is also vector quantity, b bar cross c bar is also cross product, which is a vector quantity, and therefore resultant will be a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity which can also be written as box product. Box product is a bar space b bar space c bar. In that order, we have to write it completely in that order. This will denote a bar dot b bar cross c bar. B bar cross c bar is vector quantity, a bar is also itself a vector, dot product of the two is taken, and hence we get the resultant as scalar quantity, which is free from ijk. Now one rule or one thumb rule or concept you keep in mind: scalar quantity is always a fixed constant free from ijk. Vector quantity will always be expressed in the form of ij and k. Sometimes if it is a two-dimensional plane, k will be missing, only it is expressed in ij if coordinate axes are taken as x and y. If the coordinate axes are taken as x and z, you will be having the term unit components as I as well as k. So appropriately that kind of product can be written. Now what are the different properties of scalar triple product? Changing the order of vectors cyclically does not change the values of the product. Cyclically means in the proper sequence. A bar, b bar, c bar, this is a sequence. If you skip the first, the cycle will be b bar, c bar, a bar. जैसे expressing the product of the unit vectors, I cross j is k, j cross k is I. So that is what we call it in the cyclic order. Taking the two, you get the third one in the further step, right? So skipping the earlier one, taking the product of the two, you get the first one. So I cross j is k, j cross k is I, k cross I is j. The sequence or the cycle or the rotation is fixed. So similarly, changing the order of vectors cyclically does not change the values of the product. So a bar box product, a bar, b bar, c bar can be written as bca and can be written as cab, right? So this is particularly the complete cycle in one direction or the order, and in that case I say that value of the box product will remain the same. So this is one of the peculiar property or the characteristics for the scalar triple product, which is also called as box product, represented by box. Square bracket represent box. box product A bar space B bar space C bar. Dot and cross can be interchanged. A bar dot B bar cross C bar can be written as A bar cross B bar dot C bar. See, for taking down the dot product or the scalar product, मेरे पास दोनों quantities होना चाहिए जो vector कहलाएंगे. So dot and cross are interchangeable, means A bar cross B bar dot C bar. This is vector, this is vector, dot product is scalar quantity. So I say that dot and cross are interchangeable, but clubbing or combination is also changed appropriately, right? A cross B bar dot C bar नहीं चलेगा, A bar cross B bar dot C bar चाहिए, because vector dot vector is giving you scalar. If they are expressed in their component form, A bar is A1i plus A2j plus A3k, B bar is B1i, B2j, B3k, C bar is C1i, C2j, C3k. Box product A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but the value of the determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. The box product A bar, B bar, C bar is determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So this is how we will be trying to calculate the value. See, value of a determinant is fixed or constant, and therefore we say that it is a scalar product, because the quantity, resultant quantity, is the scalar quantity. What is the geometrical interpretation of this scalar product of three vectors or the box product? The scalar triple product A bar dot B bar cross C bar represents the volume of a parallelopipe with coterminous edges as A, B, C. But volume of parallelopipe is 0. That is A bar, B bar, C bar, box product is 0. We say that vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Whenever the vector scalar triple product or the box product is 0, we say that the vectors are coplanar, and scalar triple product signifies volume of a parallelopipe or the tetrahedron, which is denoted by 1/6 box product A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is what is the scalar triple product or the box product, or which is also written as box product A bar, B bar, C bar. The quantity obtained as a result is nothing but the scalar quantity. Similar, on parallel lines to this, we discuss about the vector triple product. Now, what do we write in the vector triple product? See, vector triple product means whatever combination of the product you are going to take, the resultant should be vector quantity. Vector triple product usually is denoted by cross product. In the scalar product, we use dot. In the vector product, we use cross, and therefore it is also called as cross product. The resultant quantity in the vector triple product shall be vector quantity only. It will be vector only. If A bar, B bar and C bar are any three vectors, then vector or cross product of A bar with B bar cross C bar is called vector product of three vectors and is written as A bar cross B bar cross C bar. In the scalar triple product, we used to take dot A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Here it is A bar cross B bar cross C bar, which will be vector cross vector, and resultant is vector quantity, which is a vector quantity as product, and it is not associative. We do not have it is equal. अपन ने property of vector product में देखा था, A bar cross B bar is not equal to B bar cross A bar. It is minus times B bar cross A bar. So this is not associative or commutative. A bar cross B bar cross C bar cannot be written as A bar cross B bar cross C bar, right? Clubbing of the two vectors is different in this particular case. So vector triple product or the vector product of three vectors is written in this way. I hope this point is clear. Now how to simplify? जैसे यहाँ पर मुझे पता है कि डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेंगे तो अपना रिजल्ट स्केलर क्वांटिटी रहेगा, तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी उसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन होना जरूरी है. सो व्हाट इज वी यूज इज एक्सपेंशन फॉर्मूला. The expansion formula for vector triple product of three vectors is, usually we go with this particular formula. A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Take the dot product of the extremes. A bar dot C bar into B bar minus take the product along with the extreme. A bar dot B bar into C bar. See, this is dot product means scalar. Scalar multiplied by vector is vector. Vector minus vector will be vector. A bar dot B bar is scalar. Scalar multiplied by vector is vector. Vector minus vector means ijk as it is rahega. So A bar cross B bar cross C bar is to be remembered as product of extreme A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Similarly, the expansion of vector triple product, which is A cross B cross C, again the same extreme A dot C into B minus B dot C into A. First and last, first and extreme, right? First and third. A dot C into B, A dot B into C, A dot C into B, B dot C into A. So it is expressed in the form of extremes. A bar and C bar are the extremes, right? So accordingly, we will be writing down the vector triple product. So there are certain examples related to the vector triple product that we see it in the next class.